In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best vinyl cutter for small business that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Cricut Maker Smart Cutting Machine. The Cricut Maker is the ultimate smart cutting machine for anyone looking to make print shop quality stickers, decals, paper crafts, sewing patterns, and iron-ons from home. It does everything that the Cricut Air Explorer does plus a ton more. If you want to make a living designing signs, shirts, stickers, and crafts, it's design paradise. I hate to sound extra, but no other model even came close during my testing in terms of usability, quality, and customization options. If I were starting an Etsy shop or just making my regular cat mom arts and crafts, I'd 100% get this one. I spent the whole day making cups for my kids' party, decals, greetings cards, and God knows what else. And I had a blast doing it. Number 2. Silhouette Cameo 3-4T Wireless Cutting Machine. This vinyl cutter is an excellent choice as the best vinyl cutter for a small business as it cuts multiple materials and comes with its own software, Silhouette Studio, to help you get up and running. It even has some pre-programmed designs so you can start printing and cutting straight away. It can connect to a printer or tablet using wireless or Bluetooth, or you can simply use the USB cable to plug it into your PC. It will cut thicker materials such as card, as well as thinner ones such as vinyl, and is compatible with both print and cut and pick scan software. This is a great cutter to get you started on stickers and decals, creating greetings cards. Number 3. Cricut Explorer Air 2 Machine. This Cricut vinyl cutter has all you need to get started with your vinyl cutting business, including a library full of ready-made designs and projects. It has Bluetooth technology so you can connect to a PC, Mac, phone, or tablet, making it easy for you to create your designs wherever you are. To help your business, you will have access to its design software, Design Space, and it has a double tool holder so you can cut and write or cut and score. It features a smart set dial which controls the depth and pressure of every cut so you get what you want every time you use it. As well as this, it has a German carbide premium blade for a cleaner cut. Number 4. Brother CM350 Scan and Cut 2 Home and Hobby Cutting Machine. For new vinyl cutting businesses, this cutter has almost everything you need. The cutter includes more than 600 ready-made designs, and it has 7 built-in fonts for you to play with. It has its own scanner, so you don't need to connect to a PC or tablet, which keeps your startup costs down. You can scan your designs straight into the machine and it will cut them for you. The process is all controlled by an easy-to-view and easy-to-use LCD touchscreen on top of the cutter. If you do want to use photographs or designs which are stored on other machines, it also comes with wireless connectivity so you can also use designs created on a tablet, laptop, or phone. Number 5. Silhouette White Cameo 4. The Silhouette Cameo 4 won the Best Value Vinyl Cutting Machine Award. There are many good companies making vinyl cutters, but Silhouette America has outdone themselves with the brand new Cameo 4. It's not just a facelift, as it was with the Cameo 3. They have set a new record in the vinyl cutting sphere. They have the strongest machine on the market today. If you want to be versatile and to keep up with the latest trends, then you have to craft from multiple materials. With the Cutting Force upgrade, you can now work with over 100 materials. Besides the Cutting Force upgrade, they have improved speed as well. Compared to the Cameo 3, the Cameo 4 is 3 times faster. Finally, it seems like they managed to make it quieter.